Yeah, today we are loaded with, and it's a great opportunity for us to learn, learn to new things, yeah, new ideas, concepts, systems, on additive manufacturing. So I hope you had a good night's sleep, good sleep last night, because we have to keep ourselves awake for the many presentations, many topics that we'll be receiving today. So we're very thankful to our speakers, yeah, for making themselves available for the second day of the Philippine Additive Manufacturing.
And of course, before we proceed, Dost-STII, we would like to take this opportunity also, of course, to thank all these people who have raised this second day of our Philippine Additive Manufacturing Day. So thank you very much. Okay, so for our first speaker, he's actually the director of Puzzle Box 3D Printers, Mr. DOST-STII. However, for some prior commitment, he won't be able to come today, but we are very lucky because on his behalf, we have here to discuss the unlocking full potential of 3D printing materials beyond polylactic acid and
acrylonitrile butadiene styrene.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause please to Mr. Clark Richmond Merano.
My topic is exploring material profiles for versatile 3D printing. So, before I start, I'd just like to relate my topic to us humans. So, oops. Our nature is to evolve, change things, upgrade, and simply to progress, right? So, here, that's why we have calculators, cars, escalator, elevator, coffee makers, and washing machines. So all of these machines, para mapadali yung buhay natin, right? So ginawa sila para to simplify things, madaliin yung buhay natin. Then we have a 3D printer. So, trivia lang, sino dito nakakaalam kailan nag-start ang 3D printing? Anyone? Kailan nag-start? Any guess? 2012? 1988? Close? Pero 3D... medyo matagal na rin siya. 3D printing started way back 1982 pa. Pero before, this wasn't called 3D printing. So, at first, it was called rapid prototyping. So from the word itself, rapid prototyping, the main function is for prototyping. And the word rapid, because in just a couple of hours, you already have your prototype. So hindi na kayo gawa the traditional way, na mano-mano, ukit, gawa. So 3D printing. Then it was invented by Charles Hall, or Jack Hall. Siya yung unang naka-discover ng 3D printing. So, di lang siya sa, and then ayun, our natures as humans, we like to evolve things nga. So, it was also been applied to architecture, for scale modeling, scale modeling, for manufacturing as aids, manufacturing aids. Then product development. So, this one is a flexible material. So, TPU. Yung sole niya, sole. Then for medical purposes, right? Visual, for surgical guides. Then jewelry, we also have the wax material for the traditional way po kasi of the jewelry. They make the pattern, the wax pattern by hand. Then now we have 3D printing. Then for dental application, ayun, so surgical guides before doing the surgery, we have that. And all of this, kumbaga, marami siya. Dito, versatile yung 3D printing. And ano nga ba yung magiging metric ng versatile na 3D printer? So a 3D printer na merong maraming materials, dun siya. The word is versatile. And ano ba, yung material profiles. For Ultimaker 3D printer, so it's an open filament system. So the material profile here. So it starts from PLA. So for prototyping, so for scale modeling, this is the best material. Then we have tough PLA. So it's impact resistant. So tatanong kayo anong difference ng PLA and tough PLA. So tough PLA is like an ABS, but it's much easier to print. Then we have the ABS, durability, toughness. We also have TPU 95A. So it's flexible. So and CPE, it's chemical resistant and tough. Then CPE plus, it's chemical resistant but also heat resistant. Then we also have polycarbonate. And yeah, kilala naman din si polycarbonate for materials na kailangan ng durability. Then polypropylene. These materials can be used or as material for one 3D printer lang. So, ayun. We also have resin. So, yung 3D printer, meron siya iba't ibang technologies. Merong SLA, FDM, pero same function, 3D print. Then we also have, since na-mention ko that Ultimaker is open filament system, Ultimaker has a global material companies or global material alliance. So itong mga companies na to is nag-partnered sila with Ultimaker to make material profiles for Ultimaker. So dito papasok yung materials na for development, for just in case you want to develop or create your own material profile, pwede siyang gamitin kay Ultimaker since it's open source. As long as it will fit the requirements din. So, just to give you a brief run-through sa mga materials na na-develop na pwede nang gamitin as of today. So, ito siya. Madami na rin. So, we have from BASF, Clarion, ColorFab, GSM, DuPont, Eastman, Ilogio, IGUS. So, marami pa siya. Hindi lang yan actually. Sabi nga nila, up to 100 material companies or material profiles na pwedeng gamitin. Ayan. So, if you want to check the material profiles, you can visit our booth sa second building, sa exhibition hall. So, you can ask questions. We also have brochures. So, visit us there po. Okay, yun lang po. Thank you very much.